Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Fonts CSS for UI typography setup, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Google Fonts website. In your web browser, type in fonts.google.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, browse through the extensive collection of fonts available. Feel free to use the search bar to find specific fonts or filter by categories. When you find a font you like, click on it to view its details. On the font detail page, you'll see different styles available for that font. Select the styles you want by clicking the checkboxes next to them. After you've made your selections, look for a section labeled Selected Family at the bottom of the screen. Click on the View Selected Families link to proceed. In the pop-up window, you'll see an option to either embed or download the font. To download the CSS, choose the Embed tab. Here, you'll see a link that you can copy to your clipboard. Also, you can customize the embedding methods if needed. If you prefer downloading, look for the download icon. Click on it to download a zip file of the selected font styles. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file on your computer. Unzip the file to extract its contents into a folder. Inside the folder, you'll find the CSS file along with various font files. To implement the fonts in your project, open the CSS file in your preferred code editor. Copy that import or link tag provided in the CSS file. Paste this tag into the head of your HTML document. Now you're ready to use the fonts in your CSS styles. You can set the font family in your CSS rules by referencing the font names. Ensure to test the fonts in different browsers to confirm compatibility. That's it. Your UI typography is now set up with Google Fonts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.